Okay, today we are doing a smoked chicken. I got this whole chicken sitting in some brine, some kosher salt and water. We're going to have it sitting here for a few hours. We're going to come back, we're going to season it up, and then get it on the smoker. Today we're going to be smoking our chicken with some hickory and some pecan wood. It's got a little bit longer before I close the lid, and we're going to get this up to about 225, 250. It's almost there now. And we're going to smoke this here chicken. Okay, our pecan's almost ready to go here for smoking. I'm going to go ahead and close this up, close off the vents, get this up to about, well, it's almost at 250, but just a little higher. It's going to smoke like crazy out of there until the coals stabilize out. We're going to close this, come over here and do a little choke it off there. What we're looking for, we don't want a lot of dark smoke coming out of this. We just want a light little haze of smoke when we're ready to put the bird on. Okay, so for our rub, we are going to be using some Adams Reserve Kick It Up chicken, probably about 2-3 tablespoons of that. This is kind of a big bird, so it's going to take a little more. Our mango habanero rub, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of that. Our Two Gringos chupacabra, another couple tablespoons of that. And here, mix this up. Okay, this bird was washed, dried, and then put in a kosher salt brine for a few hours. Now I've pulled it out of the brine, it's dried up, and we're going to apply our rub and get ready to get it on the smoker. They like that. It's in there. Down into the armpits. It's a lot bigger than that one single dove I shot yesterday. Get our backside, and you always want to smoke and grill with the backside up because that's where all the fat is and goes down through the meat. If you grill breast side up or smoke breast side up, you can dry it out more. Perfect. Okay, we got a bird on the smoker. Notice how it's not billowing out of here. It just has a nice light little, I guess, breeze of hot air and smoke coming through, and that should work well. Close this up. Temp is come back up here in a minute, but it should hang around between 250 and 300 here in a second. If I can't get the temperature as high as I'd like, I'll just open up the vents, and that'll bring the temp up pretty rapidly. But you can see it, needle is slowly starting to go up. It'll settle out around 275, I think. Then as you can see from our chimney here, we don't have a lot of smoke bellowing out. It's just kind of sort of lazily coming out, and that's what we want. And we'll see you in about 6 hours. Okay, we've been on about 4 hours. I had to kind of goose up the wood here with a little bit of oak. It was just coming down. I noticed the temperature started dropping, and even opening the vents, I couldn't get the temp up. So time to add a little more fuel, but this time just a little bit because we only got about a couple more hours to go. If you see my temperature is sitting around 220, something like that, provided how accurate this is. It won't go too much further down before the fire's down enough to start smoking again. So that'll be about 10-15 minutes here, I think. Let's see how we're looking. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Not quite there, but almost. Okay, let's see how this turned out. Oh, how juicy that is. Look at that. Wow. Very good. That's just awesome.